The internet is always changing. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Remember when everyone made money on YouTube with vlogs? Now it's all about shorts and AI-powered editing. It's not just about keeping up, it's about staying ahead. AI gives you that edge. AI can help you analyze trends, predict what's next, and make smarter decisions. Don't be intimidated by the change. Embrace it. AI is here to make your life easier, not harder. It's time to ditch the old ways and embrace the AI revolution. AI isn't just one thing. It's a multifaceted technology that encompasses a wide range of applications and tools. It's a whole set of tools that can help you make money online, each designed to tackle different tasks with precision and efficiency. Let's break down a few of these powerful tools and see how they can be leveraged for financial gain.
Trading algorithms. Imagine software that buys and sells stocks for you 24/7 based on lightning-fast calculations. These algorithms analyze market trends and make decisions in milliseconds. That's the power of AI in trading. It can potentially maximize your profits while minimizing risks, all without you lifting a finger.
AI content creation. Writing blog posts, creating videos, and even composing music. AI can do it all. These tools can generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. This frees you to focus on the big picture, like strategizing and growing your business, while AI handles the repetitive tasks.
Personalized marketing. Ever get ads that feel like they're reading your mind? That's AI at work, analyzing your behavior and preferences. AI-powered marketing targets the right people with the right message at the right time, increasing the chances of conversion and customer engagement.
E-commerce optimization. From recommending products to customers to managing inventory, AI streamlines operations and enhances the shopping experience. AI is a game changer for online stores, helping to boost sales and improve customer satisfaction.
These are just a few examples of what AI can do. The possibilities with AI are endless, spanning across various industries and applications. It's about finding the right tools for your online hustle and putting them to work effectively to achieve your financial goals.
Meet Sarah, a single mom who started a side hustle selling handmade jewelry online. Business was slow. Sarah was overwhelmed, struggling to balance her time and budget. Then, Sarah discovered AI. She started using AI tools to automate her social media, create engaging product descriptions, and target potential customers. The results were remarkable.
Her sales skyrocketed. Sarah was able to quit her day job and focus on her passion full-time. Sarah's story proves that anyone can leverage AI to achieve online success, no matter their background. By now, you're probably starting to see the potential of AI. It's not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force. Let's recap why AI is a game changer for online money-making and business growth.
Efficiency AI automates tasks, saving you time and energy to focus on what you do best. Imagine having more hours in your day to innovate and create.
Intelligence AI analyzes data and provides insights that humans might miss, helping you make smarter decisions. This means you can stay ahead of the competition with data-driven strategies.
Personalization AI tailors experiences to individual users, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Your customers will feel like you truly understand their needs.
Scalability. AI helps you grow your business faster by reaching more people and automating key processes. This allows you to expand without the growing pains.
The bottom line, AI empowers you to work smarter, not harder. It's about optimizing your efforts for maximum results. It's about leveraging technology to your advantage and unlocking new levels of success. Embrace AI and watch your business soar to new heights.
The AI revolution is here. It's not about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. Those who embrace AI will thrive in the ever-evolving online landscape. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start small, explore different AI tools, and see what works for you. There's an entire community out there ready to support you on your AI journey. The future is now. Take the leap and dive into the exciting world of AI-powered online success. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching. I am Alpella, and this is Alpella Academy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.